Oh, kia ora, my cuzzies. It's me, Buzz the Cuz, in my bed, moinga. I'm just getting ready to go to sleep. I had such a beautiful day today. I went fishing, I rode in a waka, and I petted a donkey. Donkeys are my new favourite thing. What a beautiful day. I'm ready for a sleep. Hang on a second, I've forgotten something. I forgot to brush my teeth. Done. Oh, better. Oh, poor Muddy. Hang on, I've forgotten something else. I've forgotten to use the wharepaku. Taiho, cuzzies. Ikumi. Now I'm ready for a moi. Hang on a second, I don't have my friends with me. Oh. Mr. Lovey goes there. Oh, topi wari, okay. My brobot. And my tui. Tui says it's time for a sleep. Come on. I'm all ready for bed now, my cuzzies. What a beautiful day. I'm really grateful to have all my friends and my family and all the fun times that I have. My maunga, my awa. Aio ki te rangi, aio ki te whenua. Aio ki ngā mea katoa. Poor Money and my cuzzies. Shh.